guys, so we're heading to the cafeteria and eat our lunch. This is Lovejit.
See you there in
This
the
is Pete.
canteen.
Okay, we're going to eat because we're very tired breaking the Rubik's Cube.
What's up, guys? We're eating. Show him what you're eating.
No.
Just show. It's okay.
Chicken curry.
There.
Chicken curry and I'm eating.
It's so good. Now I don't have food. So
And I'm eating cup noodles.
you make it, son.
And what now?
Now I'm gonna get my food later because I don't have food yet. I just have water here with me. Wait for it.
After this,
Oh wait, there is it. Hey guys, I'm back with my ramen here.
Is this
fully cooked? Look. See? Oh god, I spilled water. It's okay. Never mind. It's okay. It's pretty hot, but I'm still gonna wait for it to cook.
they're the same food. And you're the only.
What's up,
Okay guys, so I'm going up. Ow! Okay, so we're going up now.
Going up, going up, going up. Is that video?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. They're building a fort upstairs in our room, so see you up there. See you there in the room later.
Okay,
What's up,
so we're
guys?
almost there.
Almost there.
Sorry about all the pauses that we done.
Look out. Very
This is the
near
stairs
from going
or the
up.
slope, guys. Okay, guys, I'm very sorry. It's a misunderstanding. There's no fort. Sorry, guys. Okay, goodbye, guys. I'm very mad because I didn't do any fort. Ah!